AE8 EVO 8K GPS drone with 5.5-inch touchscreen remote, FPV camera, obstacle avoidance and optical flow quadcopter. Step into the next level of drone innovation with the AE8 EVO GPS drone, a feature-packed quadcopter designed for stunning 8K aerial photography, smooth flight control, and effortless usability. Equipped with a 5.5-inch touchscreen controller, advanced obstacle avoidance, and optical flow positioning. This drone offers both beginners and seasoned pilots an immersive flying experience like no other. Movie camera 8K Ultra HD camera, crystal clear aerial imaging. The AE8 EVO is equipped with an 8K high-definition adjustable front camera that delivers crisp detail and vibrant color. Whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes, tracking subjects in motion, or simply exploring your surroundings from the sky, this camera ensures stunning clarity. The drone also features real-time FPV transmission, allowing you to view live footage directly on the built-in touchscreen controller. No need for a smartphone. Cell phone 5.5-inch integrated touchscreen remote, Fly Smart. One of the standout features of the AE8 EVO is its 5.5-inch color touchscreen remote controller. Designed for ease of use and fast access to key features, it allows pilots to control flight paths, camera angles, and settings with just a tap. This all-in-one solution removes the need for app pairing or external displays, providing a seamless, intuitive control experience. Rocket flight intelligence, obstacle avoidance and optical flow. Fly with confidence thanks to the 360° obstacle avoidance system, which uses advanced sensors to detect and avoid obstacles from multiple directions, ensuring safe and smooth operation even in tight or complex environments. Combined with optical flow positioning, the drone maintains stable altitude and precise positioning, perfect for both indoor and outdoor flying. Gear built for performance, GPS, FPV, and more. The AE8 EVO comes equipped with GPS positioning for intelligent return-to-home functionality, waypoint flight, orbit mode, and more. It's powered by brushless motors, offering better efficiency, lower noise, and a longer lifespan compared to brushed alternatives. The drone also supports gesture shooting, follow me mode, and headless mode, making it accessible even for new users. Battery and flight time. The drone includes a high-capacity modular battery that delivers up to 20 to 25 minutes of flight time per charge. With a quick-swap design, users can easily change batteries during extended sessions, additional batteries optional. The controller itself is USB rechargeable, designed for portability and long operation time. Specifications. Model: AE8 EVO GPS Drone. Camera: 8K front camera, adjustable. FPV transmission. Real-time via touchscreen display. Controller: 5.5-inch built-in touchscreen, color display. Obstacle avoidance: 360° laser-based system. Positioning: GPS plus optical flow. Motors: brushless. Flight modes: 1-key takeoff, landing. GPS auto return. Waypoint flight. Circle mode. Follow me. Headless mode. Gesture photo, video. Speed switching. Flight time: 20 to 25 minutes. Charging time: 90 to 120 minutes. Battery: 7.4 volts 1800 mAh LiPo, modular. Control range: up to 800 meters. Material: durable ABS plastic. Size: folded and portable. What's in the box? 1 AE8 EVO foldable drone. 1 5.5 touchscreen remote controller. 1 drone battery. 4 spare propellers. 1 USB charging cable. 1 screwdriver. 1 user manual. Optional. Carry case varies by package. Ideal for kids, with supervision, teens, and adults. Beginners wanting advanced safety features. Aerial photographers and casual vloggers.